Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dustin from MCA. Just woke up to another sale, so I thought I'd show you guys some more live proof. Today is July 2nd, 2018. The week has just started yesterday, and I still have until Saturday to make more sales. And I already have 320 within 24 hours. Basically, what I do, to sum it up a bit, basically, company is called MCA. You pay $19.95 a month for your benefits package. All families included, as long as you're an active member, and for becoming a member and purchasing that benefits package, the company allows us as members to become an associate and start advertising and referring people to the company. That pays us $80 per person. So, if you're interested or follow me and would like more information, go ahead and comment below this video, and I'll send you all the details exactly what I do and how everything works.